If you're travelling from Heathrow Airport to Dover, especially for a cruise, choosing the right transport is very important. Let's look at your options. Option 1. Taxi. A private taxi is the most convenient and reliable option. It's a direct door-to-door service and takes around 1 hour, 45 minutes to 2 hours depending on traffic. This is ideal if you're travelling with luggage or heading to Dover Cruise Port. Option 2. Train. You can travel by train via London. While it's fast, it requires multiple changes, which can be stressful after a long flight, especially with luggage. Option 3. Buses are usually the cheapest option, but they take longer and may not be the most comfortable for long journeys. So what's the best choice? If you want a smooth, reliable and stress-free journey, especially if you have a cruise to catch, a Heathrow taxi is the best option. When you book with us, you get free flight monitoring, free waiting time, and a professional meet and greet service at the airport. We also offer flexible date and time changes, child seats on request, and spacious MPV-8 vehicles for families and groups. You can book your Heathrow to Dover transfer easily using the link in the description. Start your journey to your cruise the right way. Heathrow Airport Pickups, where comfort meets convenience.